Boom! What is up, Wanderers? We are back with another One Take bag review, and I am so excited because I'm reviewing a bag from my favorite bag company in the world. That's it, Greenroom 136. You've seen me review the Rainmaker. You've seen me review the Metro Monger. You've seen me review the Metrodrifter. You've seen, the Metro Runner. You haven't seen me review the last in the trilogy of Metro bags, the Metrodrifter. That's what we're about today, and I am about to get into it. You know what we do on this channel. We do one take bag reviews. What does that mean? Straight through this review, we're going to be doing the exterior of this bag, the interior of this bag. We're going to talk about two things that I love about the bag, two things not so much, and then an overall recommendation. Should you buy this bag from Greenroom 136? All right, let's get into it, Wanderers. First off, exterior, I've got to say, I think this is gorgeous. Look at this thing. It comes in like 5 or 6 different colors. I don't think you can customize this one yet from Greenroom. They've got a really cool customization option. Check out my previous video on that. You can do, crazy stuff. This bag, I don't think you can customize yet. If I'm wrong, I'll say so in the video description. But goodness gracious, it comes in a couple of different colors. I got it in the gray, which has this awesome canary gold interior on it, like all Greenroom bags. And it is so pretty. You have the Greenroom 136 logo right here. A couple of nice buckles here on the front. There is no strap, no compression strap on the bottom of this bag. Okay, so just be aware if you're looking for something to, strap a jacket to, etc. Not this bag. You do have 2 MOLLE straps on this side with kind of 4 loops, and also on this side, which means you can attach a separate pouch to this. Greenroom does sell pouches that you can attach to this, or bring your own bag. You can do that as well. You also have D-rings on the top and the bottom of the bag for more attachment points, and kind of use those how you want. The strap itself is heavy-duty seatbelt material with a heavy-duty Duraflex buckle, like beefy. And then you have this really nice strap on it, the same strap that you get on the Metro Runner and the Metro Monger, and it is insanely comfortable. The best sling strap in the business for my money. And they have a lot of my money because, like I said, it's my favorite bag company. All right. So first off, 1000D nylon on the exterior. I think it's like 500, 460 or whatever ripstop D nylon on the inside of this bag. This is not tactical in terms of like their tactical lineups has hook and loop spots on the outside for morale patches. There are no morale patch attachment points on the exterior of this bag. So that's the exterior. I think it's gorgeous. I think it is a great looking bag. So they've got, like I said, 3 bags in what I call the trilogy, the Metro series here of bags from Greenroom 136. You've got the Metro Runner, the Metro Monger, and the Metrodrifter. I'll do a comparison on these bags in the future. But what role does this one play in the lineup? This is a small daily essentials bag, okay? You can fit an electronic device in this bag. We'll talk about that. But if you want a really great tablet sling, you should go with the Metro Monger. It's the biggest of the 3, and it has an insanely great tablet/laptop sleeve in the back, lined with corduroy, luxurious. It's amazing. All right, so let's pop this thing open. Really high quality materials here. The buckles are high, just the highest grade. They feel great, okay? Underneath that, you have, and you can see here, this is a big feature too. You have this kind of gold material that just like what is it? It's a shrunk down version of a classic messenger bag. And what an idea, right? So take everything you love about a messenger bag, shrink it down, and turn it into an EDC crossbody bag. Great idea. Inside the front pocket here, you have kind of just a stash spot. There is no key leash. There is no organization. It's just a really nice pocket. It's got this high contrast canary gold. I call it canary gold. I'm not sure what they call it, but it is a beautiful gold color. And I put in my wallet and my AirPods and a pen and a Sharpie. You can easily put a battery backup in there and a cord. There's lots of space in that pocket. It runs the whole length of this front pouch here. Really nice. All right. Then the only other pocket on this sucker, there is no back pocket here because this is designed to be worn on your back, and Greenroom 136 is smart enough to understand, don't load that out. It ruins the comfort level of the sling. So inside this bag, let me show you this. You've got a lot of fun organization, okay? So inside this bag, you have 2 pockets on the front, and in those pockets, I've got my cords and my power brick / battery pack. I've got my AirPods Max in here, and you've got 2 little pockets on the side, and in those little pockets, they're not drink holders. They're way too small for that. They are little utility pockets. I've got a flashlight, my multi-tool, a pocket knife, but yeah, really nice. So you've got your 10th anniversary logo in there. You've got your Greenroom 136 Gorilla logo in there, or Ape logo in there, but it is cavernous inside this bag. Cavernous for the size of the bag. This feels like, have you ever seen one of those DSLR bags from like the early 2000s that looks kind of like a lunchbox? That's the size you're talking about here. But instead of that, you've got this kind of gorgeous messenger bag look. I love it. I love it. So inside, you have a tablet / tech sleeve that's definitely big enough for a Nintendo Switch. It's definitely big enough for a Steam Deck. It's definitely big enough for an iPad mini, and for some 11-inch tablets. So some 11-inch tablets. We're going to get to that in just a second. But it is padded, but it is not insanely padded. So what does that mean? Probably need a case. Probably need a case to protect your device in this, because this is a fabric bag without tons of padding and super light. In fact, the only heavy part of this bag, the only heavy thing on the entire bag, is this strap. And if you don't like that, just unvelcro it and take off the strap, and you're just left with a seatbelt strap like a Chrome Industries bag. So yeah, great bag, and gorgeous looking. Okay, so that's the walkthrough of the bag. There's not too much to it compared to some of Greenroom's other bags, but let's talk about 2 things that I love about this bag. The first thing that I love about this bag is the high quality, insane build quality of this bag. The material choices are great. Thing is clearly handmade and clearly used the best possible materials in every section of the bag. So the stitching is immaculate. The proportions are great. There's no parts that stick out or feel weird when you wear it. It's a very comfortable bag to wear, and the materials are great. And it's really well thought out. Like this extra flap, when I first got it, I said, uh-oh, I don't know if I love that. The more I used it, the answer is, yep, I love that. It keeps anything from falling out of the bag without having to zipper this whole compartment. So it's just really good. Yeah, it's just really good. Second thing I love about this bag is the interior organization of the main compartment. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets and the main compartment inside this bag, and it is insanely useful. The subdivisions in this bag are insanely useful. Perfectly sized for modern carry, so perfectly sized for cords and AirPods and all kinds of stuff. So, I mean, you can carry books, you can carry headphones, no matter how big they are. You can carry gimbals. Like, everything fits in this thing, and everything, like, you know, my gimbal and my tripod fit in those corner pockets. Yeah. The size is just right for a grab-and-go city carry, like just toss it on and go. And it's got all the utility of a great fanny pack, but it's built like a messenger bag. So instead of a fanny pack that you're wearing as a messenger, you have something designed to be crossbody that wears really comfortably for the whole day. So yikes. Those are two things that I love about the bag. Like really, really love about the bag. Two things that I don't like as much about this bag. And you know, it's tough for me. I told you it's my favorite maker. So here we go. Two things I don't like as much about this bag. The first thing is, in this front pocket, it's a great drop pocket. I would have liked a key leash in this pocket. I would have liked a little key leash in there so I could hook my AirPods into there and not worry about them dropping. It's a simple thing, but they've got great key leashes on the Metro Monger and the Metro Runner, so I kind of assumed there would be one in the Metrodrifter, and there's not. Heads up. Is it the world's biggest deal? No, it's not the world's biggest deal, but would have been a nice addition. Second thing that I think could have been better about this bag. Well, it's interesting because like, what role does this bag play in the lineup? If you've got the Metro Runner, which is already kind of this sausage sling for EDC that is really, I mean, insanely great. And then you've got the Metro Monger, which is a larger tablet sling. Where does this fit in? Well, this is lighter than both those, and it's a little floppier than both those, feels less formal, feels less stiff. It carries a little bit nicer on the back because it's not overloaded. But on the website, it says that it fits an 11-inch tablet, and this is an 11-inch tablet. This is an 11-inch iPad Pro, which specifically the website says it fits. So when I take this tablet and slip it into the tablet pocket in the back, it kind of fits. So it is just, you can see here, like, it just doesn't quite, it's just off by half an inch. And why is that a problem? Well, it's only a problem because the protection for the technology on this bag is not as robust as the protection for the technology on the other sling that I was talking about, the Metro Monger. So I don't know if I would want to carry my iPad naked without a case in here, but that's really my only option, is to carry it naked without a case, or, to be fair, in the Magic Keyboard case, which is insanely protective, I could just drop it into the middle section of this bag with zero problems. But again, you hear that. That's the sling hitting the table, okay? So, I don't know. What I don't love this bag for is a tablet carry. What I think it would be fine for is an iPad mini, a Nintendo Switch, a Kindle, no problem. A smaller tablet like an Amazon Fire, literally no problem. And then the tablet pocket is fine. I just wouldn't buy it for an iPad 11-inch. I would buy the Metro Monger, which is still, to this day, my number one iPad sling, period, that I ever recommend to people. The Metro Monger, love it. This is the Metrodrifter. Should you buy it? Well, yeah. I've never not recommended a Greenroom 136 product that I've reviewed, and I'm not going to start now because this is another really well-made bag. But I think you got choices to make, unless you're me, in which case you just buy them all. But I think you got choices to make. Check out the Metro Monger, the Metro Runner, the Metrodrifter. See which one, and also, heck, check out the Sidekeep, which is another incredible EDC bag from Greenroom 136. So you got a lot of choices to make. This one, I'd recommend it if you like the messenger bag look and style, and if you've got a small EDC that's really minimalist and doesn't include a tablet at an 11-inch iPad Pro or larger, or a laptop, in which case this bag is gorgeous, and I think you're going to get a lot of comments on it, and you're going to be insanely happy with the build quality of the bag itself. All right, Wanderers, I hope you enjoyed the review. That's it for now. We will see you next time.